Master Azerbaijani word of the day has for you the word goz. Goz, just one syllable. Goz means walnut or walnut kernel. Now, let's see the translation of some phrases, and then we'll discover some sentences where we will be using this word. Phrases first. Kızartılmış goz, roasted walnut. You will also notice qovrulmuş, because I will introduce you to more than just one nut. Now, here I'm using kızartılmış, roasted walnut. Technically, if you will hear it applied to another type of food, I don't know, potato, kızartılmış, that will be fried potatoes. Now, fresh walnut kernel, taze goz lepesi. Lepe is a kernel, and you will hear it not just for walnut. Anything that has shells, that goes out of the shell, the insides of it, kernels of it, will be called with lepe. Goz lepesi, fındık lepesi, fıstık lepesi, etc. Okay? Sentences. Payız akşamı heyete yığıştık ve uzun söhbetler arasında göz kırıp lepesini təzəcə bölüşməkdən haz aldık. Very romantic sentence. Let's see.